Standard form of a quadratic function. Any form of a quadratic function can be converted to another form. So we can get from vertex form to standard form, or from standard form to vertex form. Standard form is y equals ax squared plus bx plus c, where a, b, and c are numbers. In order to get from vertex form, which you already know, to standard form, you just take vertex form and expand out the square and combine like terms. In other words, x minus h squared is x minus h times x minus h. Expand that out and simplify it. If this looks confusing, pause the video and go through it. Now, taking this last line after expanding out vertex form, comparing it to standard form, you see a is a, b is negative 2ah, and c is ah squared plus k. H and k are the vertex of the parabola. So if we focus on the easy looking equation, which is b equals negative 2ah, we can solve for h. H is negative b divided by 2a. Now we know half of the vertex. Yay! Now to find the other half, you just take the answer for the x value and plug it back into the original equation and solve for y. That answer is the k value for the vertex. It's real simple. Just plug in the x number and get y, and that is your vertex. Now you know the vertex from standard form. Yay! Here's a great place to take a few notes. H equals negative b divided by 2a. Plug that answer into the original equation and you get k, which is the vertex, h and k. Now, to write something in vertex form from standard form, a is a, h is negative b divided by 2a, and you take that answer and plug it back into the equation. That's what f of negative b over 2a means. That's how we get vertex form if given standard form. Here's just a bunch of notes. We haven't talked about the y-intercept yet. In standard form, ax squared plus bx plus c, the c number is the y-intercept of the parabola. Notice the notation for vertex. How do you graph something in standard form? Pretty simple. Identify a, b, and c, 1, 2, and 5 for this example. Find the x value for the vertex, negative b divided by 2a. That gives you the axis of symmetry. Draw a vertical line, negative 1. To find the actual vertex, plug negative 1 back into the original equation for x. Solve for y, you get negative 1 comma 4. Find some other easy points like the y-intercept of 5. Another point 1, plug it in and get 8. Use symmetry, get a couple other points, and draw a smooth curve. All there is to it. Now, if you have to write this equation actually in vertex form, again, starting with the a, b, and c numbers, find the vertex, negative 1 comma 4. We just went through that. You already know a, you know h and k now, so just plug those into the formula. 1, negative 1, and 4 into a, h, and k, and you have vertex form. Just a couple problems for you to work on from this video.
Created using Powtoon.